It's spooky season, so today on Sugar Hero, we're making this disgustingly delicious Witch's Brew Halloween punch. Start by combining 2 liters of ginger ale, 4 cups of pineapple juice or orange juice, and 1/3 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice, and mix them all together. Next, you'll need lime sherbet, and you want to scoop all of that into the punch. You can see it already looks super creepy and cool. There's a few different options for making the punch smoke. The first way is just to add a big chunk of dry ice to the punch bowl and stir it in. This is the easiest way, but because dry ice is dangerous to ingest, you need to be really careful that no one accidentally drinks it. The next option is to put the punch bowl inside a smoking cauldron. So to do this, put a bowl upside down in the bottom of the cauldron, pour warm water all around it, and then add dry ice to the warm water. Make sure you use tongs or gloves so you don't touch it with your skin. And pretty soon the cauldron will start to smoke. Just put your punch bowl in the cauldron on the upside down bowl, and now you have awesome smoking Halloween punch without the risk of drinking dry ice. When it's all ready, if you want to make it a little boozy, add about 2 cups of your favorite vodka. Finally, if you trust your guests not to drink dry ice, you can put a large piece at the bottom of a cup and then pour punch on top to make every cup bubble and smoke. Cheers! Like and follow for more recipes.